Hello, I'm Beth the Builder, and today's honest guide to home repair is how to fix a broken light fixture. But first, like and subscribe below. That would be awesome. So, step 1. Safety first, turn off the power to your wires. Don't get electrocuted. Get a super simple voltage detector. I don't know, this one cost like $6 or something. And don't get electrocuted, because that would be terrible. Check your wires. Make sure they are not hot. They are not on the hot list. I think everyone has one of these weird pull string lights in some weird closet or something in their house, but they're super simple to change out when like the pull string thing inside there just kind of wears out and then you have to like unscrew the light bulb to turn the light off. I had 2 of these in my house that the pull string had stopped working. So they're cheap, and I'm not an electrician, but this is pretty easy. And then unscrew the simple screws that hold the porcelain or plastic fixture in place. And then inside, I like to take a picture of what the inside looks like in case there was some kind of weird janky wiring, or you forget which wires go to which thing, in case you're wiring something a little bit more complicated than just this simple light fixture. My house, like probably many houses, has some ungrounded electrical outlets and fixtures. So it's not ideal, but I'm not made of money, so you make do with what you have. So there's just 2 wires here in this fixture for me to replace. In case you're not super familiar with any kind of wiring, green wires are ground, black is hot, red is hot, white or gray are neutral. All wiring should be in an electrical box. So rectangular ones for outlets and light switches, and then you'll find more specific ones for the light fixtures like the one I'm installing here, where it's a shallow kind of octagon shaped metal box. And there's lots of different options for these. Metal, plastic, they all come different depths. It depends on how many wires that are going into them and out of them, whether they're indoor or outdoor, and what kind of wiring is going in. You know, as long as you're smart and safe, it's going to be okay. And even if it really turns out that there's something else wrong, you call an electrician and they help you solve the problem and they fix it for you, which is great. Thanks for watching my super simple, basic rewiring of a broken pull string light fixture. I hope that you feel empowered to do it yourself, because it's really easy. If you're smart, you have some simple tools, you can turn off your power and you can start to figure it out at your own pace. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment below about some weird, dumb wiring thing that you've found in your house that you've had to fix or had to hire someone to fix. I love DIY fails. They're awesome. I have new videos every Friday, and thanks for watching.